What's up, everybody? What's up? I'm so glad to be here because I have something to talk to you about, something to tell you as it relates to YouTube Shorts. With great research and analyzing how the YouTube Shorts can help your channel and how they can also hurt your channel if you are a new YouTuber. Listen up to me right now. And I appreciate all of you out there who have subscribed to the channel, who have come over. I'm going to tell you something that needs to be said. If you are a new YouTuber, this will have a lot more impact for your channel. It is of my belief in researching it for myself that when you are a new YouTube channel and you are seeking to gain watch time towards the 4,000 hours you need to be a part of the YouTube partnership program, you need 1,000, as we already know, 1,000 subscribers. You need those things in unison, in concert, to be monetized on YouTube, to be able to get AdSense, ad revenue through commercials. What I'm recognizing is that the YouTube Shorts were designed by YouTube, because they've said it themselves, as a way to compete with TikTok, because TikTok is actually, believe it or not, whether you believe it or not, it is the truth.
Tell the truth.
That TikTok is king right now because it provides short 60-minute to 15-minute content uploads. And the reason why I believe that it's been successful is because we live in a society where, for the most part, people in general have short attention spans, whereas YouTube is more long form content. Maybe you have an hour live stream, maybe you have a 8 to 13-minute video. And so YouTube had to come out with YouTube Shorts to compete with the growing popularity, as I put this on the screen, of what YouTube Shorts has brought to the table. What I've been noticing on everyone's channel, and I noticed it on my own channel, is that people are putting up a lot of YouTube Shorts. There are some people who believe that the YouTube Shorts will give them watch time. And I have said this before, but this video is going to drill it home. You do not get watch time for YouTube Shorts. YouTube says it themselves. YouTube Shorts can be monetized if you get a lot of views on it. If your YouTube short video goes viral, you get millions of views, thousands of views, whatever the criteria is. YouTube has a certain amount of allotted money put to the side, which they can pay you for such video. But the YouTube Shorts do not give you watch time towards the 4,000 hours. And I'm going to show you in this video using YouTube's monetization studio, which is on your channel. When you go into your channel and you click monetization, and it keeps a record of how many subscribers you have, how much watch time you have. If you click with your mouse, the little question mark areas, it tells you exactly what YouTube considers watch time. This video is going to be upsetting to some folks, maybe enlightening to some folks, but I'm here to tell you, I believe when you are building a new channel towards watch time, that you should limit the number of YouTube Shorts on your channel. That's right. You should limit the number of YouTube Shorts on your channel because the YouTube Shorts are cannibalizing your watch time. When people go to your channel and they see a majority of YouTube Shorts, they're going to watch them. Especially for those of us, or those of you who have gone to streams where people are trying to connect people together to subscribe to each other and give support and all of that. The first thing that people run to are your YouTube Shorts. They click on it, they leave a quick message, they can watch it, and then they're gone. You're taking away views from your actual videos. You want people watching your actual videos. The actual videos, the long form content, according to YouTube, is where you get the watch time. So when you have a lot of YouTube shorts up and you've got 100 views on those YouTube shorts, you got 40 views, 50 views, 60, whatever the views are, you just took away views from the actual YouTube videos that YouTube will give you watch time for. This is a formula that I use, that I would employ everybody to use themselves. I simply use my YouTube shorts as a promotional tool to let people know I've got a new video coming up. When I get ready to go live, hey, come on over to my channel. You've seen it, and watch this new live stream I've got, or this new uploaded video, this new premiere video that I've got going. Come on over. Be a part of what I've got happening here. I may keep that video, that YouTube short up for the duration of my live stream or the video that I've just uploaded. I might keep it up at the very minimum to the very max a day, maybe the whole day. Then I delete that YouTube short the day after or two. Why? Because I want people to watch the video that I've produced more so than the YouTube short, simply because the YouTube short is not giving me watch time. This is only for people who are new YouTubers trying to get watch time. If you're not a new YouTuber and you've got a nice subscriber base and you're getting good views on your videos, you can afford to do YouTube shorts every day and load them up because you've already built trust in your audience. Your audience already believes in you. You believe in them, and they're gonna watch your videos besides just your YouTube shorts content. I did this on my channel where I had a few YouTube shorts. I'm gonna tell the truth here.
Tell the truth.
And I noticed very quickly that people were watching. I was getting views on the YouTube shorts. And when I went into my channel where it says videos, and I clicked into all videos, I'm seeing the YouTube shorts and they're taking up views from my videos. So I may have a YouTube short that got 200 views, 300 views, 46 views, 60 views. And then I look at my regular videos, which YouTube is really a video content platform. And I'm saying, wow, I might have just taken views away from these videos as well as watch time because people are going straight to the YouTube shorts. Instead of me simply saying, let me keep my YouTube shorts up for a short period of time, take them down so that when people discover my page, they go straight to the video. They at least watch some of the video, which means I'm getting a watch time. YouTube does not give you watch time for YouTube shorts. I'm seeing way too many people who are new YouTubers trying to get watch time who have tons of YouTube shorts. And you're cannibalizing your views as well as your watch time. You're taking it away from the videos that YouTube covets the most. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So when I put this up here, like so, this is my actual, as I was saying, my YouTube Creator Studio. I go into it, I click into monetization, and right here you can see my watch time is about 1,425. I've got some more grinding to do, but I'm going to get there. And on here, you can take your mouse and you can click areas where right here, where it says 1,425 public watch hours, 4,000 is required. When I click the little icon to the right, this little question mark icon, it's going to pop this up on the screen. And I want you all to see this right now. When you click into it, it's going to pop this up. I want to prove to you out there why YouTube Shorts can be a blessing and a curse to your watch time. Nobody on YouTube that I know of, and even the bigger YouTubers out there, have touched on this issue that I'm touching on right now, right here. What counts as public watch hours only valid watch hours from current public video count towards YouTube Partnership Program eligibility. That's what YPP stands for. This is right off of YouTube's monetization area on your studio of your YouTube channel, telling you this information when you click the icon button. Let me put this back up here. On this screen, you want to go to this. You want to click, you want to go into your YouTube studio. You want to click into monetization. It will pop this up, giving you a count of your subscribers, giving you a count of what you're eligible for and what you're still working towards. On the right side, underneath where it says 1,425 public watch hours, which is my watch hours and whatever your watch hours is, there's an icon to the right underneath where it says 4,000 is required. You click it with your mouse and that will pop up this little letterbox. And the letterbox will say this right here. Now, for those of you who have been skeptical about whether you're getting YouTube watch time for the shorts and you've been saying, no, we do. I'm sorry to break this to you, but I got to break the truth to you because this is about the truth.
Tell the truth.
With lightning. The truth is this: videos played from the stories. That's if you have 500, if you have a community tab and you have a certain amount of subscribers, and now you can put stories on your YouTube channel where you click and you just do little short stories. You're not getting watch time for the stories. And check out right here where it says and short video shelves or as part of an ad campaign are not included for the YouTube Partnership Program eligibility. That's YPP, YouTube Partnership Program. This was last updated this year, this month, on June 23rd, 2022. I tell you no lies. I tell you the truth. You do not get any watch time for videos that you have put in unlisted. You get no watch time for videos that you have privatized, and you get no watch hours for YouTube Shorts, ladies and gentlemen. You can get them monetized if you get a lot of views. You can get money from YouTube. You can do that. And when you do create YouTube Shorts, you want to turn on your monetization, especially if you already a monetized channel. You want to make sure you turn that on if your channel is already monetized when it comes to your YouTube Shorts. However, if your YouTube Shorts go viral, you're going to make money. You get no watch time. Let me put this back up here again for the effect of reality. What counts as public watch hours? Only valid watch hours from current public videos counts towards YouTube Partnership eligibility. Videos played from the stories do not count, and the short videos shelf or as part of an ad campaign are not included for YouTube Partnership eligibility. Last updated June 23rd, 2022. So I tell you no lies. I tell you nothing but truth. And with that said, I'm going to run this. I'm going to say this again. I believe if you are a new channel, no one's telling you this on YouTube, not even these bigger content creators who talk about strategies and tips. Info Media is telling you this. If you are a brand new channel, I think you need to limit the YouTube Shorts as a supplement to promote your video and then get rid of it after that video has been launched, meaning keep it up for a day and then get rid of it at the very max 2 days. At the very minimum, keep the YouTube Shorts up for 1 day. Use the YouTube Shorts to promote your channel so that it can be discoverable by people who have never ran upon your channel, because the YouTube Shorts reels really pop up on people's screens. Use it as a promotional of your latest video. Use it as a promotional to remind people that you're going live, that you have a new upload. Use it as a promotional to let people know what your next video is going to possibly be. Use it as a promotional. If you are a new channel trying to get watch hours, then delete these shorts so that people will spend more time watching your videos, which you get actually more bonus from, then watching your YouTube shorts, which get absolutely no watch time, and now you've just taken away views from your actual video. I got rid of all of my YouTube shorts off my channel because I was realizing that people were watching the YouTube shorts. And I said to myself, okay, I got 40 views on this YouTube short. I got 100 on this one, 200 on that one. I would have rather had those views on the actual video, bringing up the view count and watch time, the click-through rates, and the retention rate of my video, which is what YouTube is actually looking for when it comes to your traditional YouTube videos. Let's not get away from the reality that even though YouTube has given us these, what we would call YouTube shorts, as I put this up here, even though YouTube shorts are very popular right now and you can make money off of them, do not get away from the fact that YouTube is still a traditional video long form platform. They want you to go live. They want you to upload videos in concert with that. They want activity on the videos, people in the chat room, because when you do YouTube shorts, you got no interaction with people in a chat room. It's just hoping that they watch it and they give it a like. This is Info Media Live. I hope this video gives you something to bite on, something to think about. But if I were you, I would limit YouTube shorts to very, very, very minimum, if at all, so that people can focus more on your videos, less on the YouTube shorts. When you are a brand new channel seeking watch hours, because the YouTube shorts are actually taking watch hours away from your traditional videos that YouTube is looking at when it comes to the partnership program. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I hope this finds you very well. And I want you all to take care of yourself. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Share this video with other content creators and just people in general. Share this video. If you're getting value from this video, hit the likes button. Watch another video, as you always know, I always say, if you want more videos like this that can be very informative. And I want to tell you all to take care of yourself. Thank you for your support, listening. I'm going to keep bringing you and talking about subject matters around YouTube and content creation that others don't dare to do. Take care, everybody. Peace and respect.